Hello, everyone. Good morning. Yesterday we had a bank holiday, so today is back to action. Okay, let's see. So we already had sell side liquidity taken. So annoying when the move plays out before freaking 8 o'clock. But the next draw on liquidity should be there. We have some news coming out at 9:45. That came from this old low here. Okay, so it's been trading lower. It just created this fair value gap in here, possibly pushed there to here. How many? We got 3 pip stop loss, about 5 to 10. Mike said, my mentor over the weekend said we got to switch up our goals and only reach for 5 pips, which isn't that satisfying, but he says it's a great way to get a foundation. So I'm gonna test that out. Definitely, I think it's gonna be good, a good practice, good way to keep risk management, good way to get disciplined. And obviously, guys, this is not nobody should be taking a trade. This is all for learning purposes. I am not a financial advisor. Okay. Let's drop down. Gotta get my iPad for the 1 minute. So we can tape read. So we got into that box there, which was the fair value gap. It's not giving, oh, there it goes. It might pull back up a little bit more into it, or it could just be an entry, institution order flow entry drill. I gotta get my iPad. Charge my phone. I don't know why my phone is like never charged anymore. I think it's because I'm always charging my iPad. Okay, so it's back into that fair value gap. Now it could have the opportunity to fill it all, and it could go to consequential encroachment, and it could even go up to this higher fair value gap up there. So you do want to be mindful of all those areas, and make sure your stop loss is you're able to afford so lower your risk so you can afford a stop loss up there. Even though nobody should be taking a trade at this time, just watching price. I am pulling up my trader view now on my iPad. So ideally, this is a little over 1.5 risk to reward. But Michael says take TP at 5, which I guess would be these lows here. It's 8:12 now, so you do have to be mindful that we are kind of early. No news at 8:30 is coming out. We do have, opening bell at 9:30, and then we have some heavy news at 9:45. So, is it heavy or is it medium? Let me see. Heavy and medium. So, that should give us some good volatility, especially being closed yesterday or choppy yesterday. So now, yeah, we just watch tape, see what it's going to do inside this little area. That's a nice reaction out. Now, to ensure that, for proper risk management, to make sure you're on the right side of the fence, to, make sure your trade's not going against you, it should respect. So if we're bears, we should have bears PD arrays, what am I trying to say? Respected. And so 3 PD arrays that's fails for your bears. That's when you should question your setup. Three, 5. So I think this is where I'll put it. Guys, I hate trading to wicks. because like I think like like I keep saying, the stories in the bodies, Wix is in the damage. So, but I mean, hopefully it'll be okay to hold for this 5 pips down here, since I believe the true draw on liquidity is right here. If you guys remember, this purple box is a previous fair value gap from the 4-hour, so it could even go all the way to fill it completely. But we gotta eat the elephant one bite at a time. And that's consequential encroachment of the box. So we want to see it get there first, see what it does. It is looking pretty nice so far. Took out that low, came back in, dropped down up between that low. Next one's here. Okay, so we drop down below here. Volume imbalance up in here. I get kind of like, I would rather, I don't know. I just, leaving these open like this gives me like a, because every time it takes out a low, it has every right to go back up. But Michael has this year talked about institutional order flow entry drill, which is when it barely pierces the fair value gap and then continues on. But I haven't had much like experience with that. So like even right now, like after we took out this low, it could even just come all the way back up here into there. So I would still use this as like a PD array that needs to be respected, because this is technically a short-term high, and breaking it, I don't really like that idea, because breaking a short-term high can be indicative of a market structure shift. So if it breaks that short-term high, then respects a bullish fair value gap, then like I don't like that at all. Because it could go up higher. So you just have to keep watching the tape, see what it's gonna do, and be receptive to what it's telling you also. Gotta take my multivitamin on kefir. I like that. Went back up. And then went back up to it. That's nice. Came back up, touched it again, fell back off. We just got to get through this low now and not respond to any of these fair value gaps, because that may be kind of like a bullish PDRA. That's good. Took out that low. Sorry, I'm a bit distracted. My team is disorganized. Goodness. And they're trying to come at me because I'm the organized one and they're procrastinating. Got me distracted from the tape. We were supposed to be together today, live streaming together. And they're like, no, let's do a test stream. Bro, we've been doing test streams since like August. Oh, well, we got new software now. Okay, well, what did we do Friday then? Oh, well, we just linked it all, but we didn't really test the stream together. Oh my goodness, like, bros. They gonna wait. They gonna have to wait till after this little 5 pips. Because this is another institution order flow entry drill. I guess. Maybe we're seeing it for the first time together, guys. And took out another low, so you can expect for it to pull back up into any of here. I just don't want to see it sweep up here anymore. I just don't want to. Okay, but it could. You can't like put your wheels on the market. Wheels, not like wheels like a car, but like will, like let thy will be done, WILL. You can't put that on the market. The market's gonna do what the market does. And the best we can hope for is that we can have an understanding and can read it. We can read it and have an understanding on what it's doing. Okay. How far have we came thus far? 2 pips. Ah! That's it, 2. We halfway there, though, guys. Yay. Because we're halfway there, and I'm on my way, and I'm feeling... I don't know the words. Okay, so we're pulling up on the bodies. Look how it just touched it. Oof, that's why I like the bodies. Michael... Oh, no, Michael did not just say something. Okay, so pulling back up, because it just took out this low, that low, that low, this low, touched the bodies on this. Oh my gosh. Is my mentor going live right now? Or is this just a video? I got nervous. I was about to say bye, guys. Because if my mentor was going live, I couldn't stay around. I'm sorry. I'm a student too. And he was supposed to drop something last night. So it's not anything though, guys. I'm still here. I'm a tune in later. It's just a recording of one of his entries, which I can tune in later If he was going live, I would have to tune in live. Uh-oh. He said live stream begins at 9:15. Good. It's a good morning. Wife required my time. It is what it is. Now, note the return to the volume imbalance, reaching for sell side. Reaching for sell side. Ugh. Okay. Mike. Uh-oh, let me drop back down to the 1 minute. Keep my eyes on this tape. After we just took out that low, the bodies of the low, I guess. So, okay, guys, we have until 9:15 to be together. Which is cool, you know, about an hour and 15. And hopefully we get our 5 pips before then. We gotta let it respect. Oh, yeah, nice reaction. All right. Go, go, go. Nice, 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 nice. Nice nails. We only need one more pip to get there. And then we're going to close everything. Goodness gracious. Y'all have no idea. This is what I guess is the discipline to close after just 5 pips when, like, I'm really hoping it gets here. Oh, goodness, but I can't. Oop, whoa, whoa, whoa. Gotta get on it. Gotta get on it, because what the fuck? Was that it, guys? It didn't quite get there. I don't know. See, this is when I get a little too meticulous, because I want to see if, oh, was that 5 pips? Damn it. Damn it, guys. Damn it, guys. I thought it was here. Damn, that could have been it. And I missed it. God damn it. We gotta watch the tape now. We gotta watch the tape now. Make sure it's gonna keep going down. Because that could have been it. The 5 handles. One and done. Oh. Oh, man. I got so close. I was not, my finger was not on the trigger. This is why, even though we're not taking live trades, have your TP set, have your stop loss set, because just like that, 5 pips. Boom. Boom. Done and done. And if you're not ready, you could miss it. Hopefully it can keep pulling down, though, and give us another opportunity to take that. Ooh, 8:30. 8:30, see? Oh my gosh, that 5 pips would have worked. Look at that precision. 5 pips exactly. How much drawdown did we see? About a half a pip. Well, I guess Michael was right. Just take your 5 pips and be done. Look at that pullback at 8:30. Time and price is crazy. That was nice though. Another one. Time for me to open the blinds, get some natural light in here. So yeah, done. That would have been done. That's over. We can see if it's still going to go all the way down here, but we caught our 5 pips. We got to see what it's going to do now, pulling back up into this PD array. Remember I said you can expect it to go all the way through, even up to this one. After we took out this low though, and then this low could be a sweep, liquidity sweep too. So got to be mindful of that. Yeah. So we just got to see now. I want to see it get to here or even here. It got super close though. Michael also says like it's just a draw, like a magnet. Like, so if it got close to your proximity here, like in your close range, like close it. Because like you can't like expect, well, like perfect exits, I guess. And that's something that he's working on too. But he doesn't want us to have that type of same perfection overload. What time frame is this that he's on? 1 minute. And this was at 8 o'clock. I'm looking at the trade he just posted. I think he was, let me see, it was on the 1 minute. It's looking like it was this drop. He caught it from up here into this fair value gap. I was not even on the charts yet. He got it, he caught it all the way down to this low. And 5 pips. That's all he says we need. That's all I need. I like to see that it's coming down here. The fact that we broke these short-term highs. If we start to respect any like bullish PD arrays, it might not get to here, but hopefully it does. Hopefully it does. But we can't force it. We can't push what we want onto it. You know, we just gotta let it do its thing. $8.30, a little gyration. Gotta be mindful of this fair value gap. We could even extend this fair value gap over, make sure that it doesn't respect it, because that could be a buy opportunity if we were bullish. So we want to see it shoot through that. That's why, guys. That's so good to see, though. So good to see, and it came easy. How we didn't have too much. We had a little a little bit of back and forth here, but it kept pushing down. How long did it take from when it entered to get to TP? About 20 minutes. 20 minutos. So you see how it's like reacting off of this and sitting it back up? Nah, sweet. Nah, sweet. So gotta be mindful of the higher time frame. This is why he says 5 handle runs. Because we could have been done. I guess we are done. It's over. We got it. It's in the bag. I just wish I would have screenshotted it. I was not fast enough. I was not fast enough with the screenshot. But luckily we have it here live. And it's being recorded. I like keeping a portfolio. Now we are back inside this fair value gap. Just broke down out of it again. Hopefully we can use it to send price lower and not respect this anymore. Then that's good for our side, for the sell side. And then we got to also be mindful of this volume imbalance. Hopefully it could just pass on through with no care in the world. Just like we. But like I said, I don't like a shift in market structure, especially after a low was taken. So, gotta be mindful of that. Did it reach into the volume balance? Make that orange. It did just make another shift in market structure on the 1 minute, technically breaking this low here, but only to go back into that. That's why I didn't like. You see how like when we broke these highs over here, it was like previous highs. So we just got to get through this low. So I guess this technically would be another 5 pips. Like if you were to re-enter here, it's kind of risky, I guess. I don't know. Got to a little bit to consequential encroachment. This is what he means. Like you can find 5 pip setups like all day. Yep, consequential encroachment. So hopefully it's enough power to send it down. Michael be using his fib like from this high to this low, projected out in time. I don't know. Standard deviations. Yeah. I don't know. I guess I just have lost a little bit of confidence in the sells after we got to our sell side objective. This low, this low. I really thought this was 5 pips from the box. I don't know how I messed that up. Let me see. So here's the beginning of the box. Here's the line. Oh, that's 5.3. Shit. So it's 5. 5 would have been here. And that's exactly where it went. God damn it. Should have been on the screenshot. My phone was charging. Ooh, I can probably screenshot this video. Technology. I feel better now. Let's see. What's it doing now? What's tape saying? Low key, respecting the bodies, respecting the bottom of that fair value gap. We have a volume imbalance up in here for the bear side. Hopefully we don't see any like sideways price action up until 9:30. Since there wasn't any news at 8:30. Man, oh man. I can't believe I did that, guys. But it's okay. I can just screenshot it from this video. Next time, I'm going to be better. I'm going to be quicker on it. My phone's going to be charged. I'm going to be ready. Battery is at 64%. Oh. Uh-oh. Michael just tweeted something, did he? Let me see. Uh-oh. See? Don't like that. Since we've been on the charts at 8 o'clock, we literally only seen like 5 pips. There's not a lot of volatility happening right now. But we went to target, came back up, structure shift, Maybe we could see it continue to go down. I don't want to see it start respecting the bulls. And I also don't want to see it go sideways before 9:30. Oh, see. Market structure shift came down, touched it, filled it completely, bodies respected, volume and balance. How many PD arrays is that? Short-term high broken, 1. Bullish volume fair value got respected, that's 2. This is a, oh wait, those are bullish PD arrays. Let's see if any bearish PD arrays have been disrespected. Maybe a market structure shift in the opposite of your direction, that may be considered 1. It broke down, so that's good. It came back up, that's still good. So only 1 against us so far. About 3 for the bulls though. Like the bulls looking pretty happy right now. Hopefully they put their stop loss here so we can attack it. We're back into this bullish, you know, this ain't a breaker. What would he call this? I forgot what it's called, but it's basically when a previous bearish fair value gap extended over in time and it has a bullish side. It's called something. Like if you were on the bull side, you would want to see that respected. We're on the bear side, so we want to see it disrespected. Disrespect. Here we are again at the bottom of it. Can we get a push through? There we go. Yes. Oh, nice. Nice. Back to this volume imbalance. That's kind of, yes. Go, 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 go. Okay, guys, sorry. I'm being animated for the cameras, but when you're trading live, you want to lose all emotion. You don't want to get excited. You don't want to get fearful. You don't want to be nervous. You want to be like calm as a peach or calm as some fruit, they be saying. So I'm not going to demonstrate that and get all animated. I'm trying to work on that myself, keeping my, being disciplined within myself, and keeping my emotions in line, because that's really important, like really important, all seriousness. Okay, let's see how far we have to go until we get another 5. So about 2 more pips. I call it pips. I know it could be handles, whatever. Y'all know what I'm talking about. It's looking good so far. Not quite respecting any other bullish PD arrays. We're about to take out the body on this, so that's good. Hopefully we can make it to this line, then that line. Let's go. There, boom. Screenshot. Screenshot. Got it that time. I got it that time, guys. I got it that time, guys. Cool. So we done? We're done for sure this time. So that would have literally, if we would have, but no, you don't want to think like that either. You don't want to think like, oh, should have, could have, would have. We just want to learn. So we got our reaction, gave us 5 pips. And I really do believe like the bodies. I really do. And then, so it came back up just through consequential encroachment, as we already measured, which is good. Consequential encroachment of that fair value gap that we're working on. And then it dropped out of it into this. I gotta look at my notes. Oh, I gotta ask my team. Somebody will have the answer on what this is called. Goes back up, comes back down, which respects, bears. Comes back up into this volume imbalance, then gives a nice low resistance liquidity run. Back again to 5 pips. So that's 2 5 pips handles we caught today. Well, theoretically, because we're not live trading. I don't know. Maybe it can get to this one now. We'll see. But our job is done. For Michael's sake, he wants us to catch 5 pips. We caught 5 pips. Done and done. Let me tweet it. That was pretty fast, even for the second time around. I think the second time after 8:30 gave us even a faster reaction. So at 8:30, it came back up. Saw about 1.5 drawdown, and then got to TP in 13 minutes. That was nice, guys. That was really nice. So I'm about to just create our little catch this morning. For some content. Check out my Twitter, check out my YouTube, check out my TikTok, check out all that. It was fun doing this with you guys. I hope you guys had fun too. I got it screenshotted. Michael just tweeted something else. The missing portion of the exaggerate executions, that's why Boxer set off my home alarm and I had to toggle through some screens. Okay. Spread is annoying. Because I guess spread, what is, ooh, that was nice. See, this is a volume imbalance. It's one of those things again. I gotta figure out the name so I can communicate it, articulate it properly. So you like to see that previous bullish against and reject it, send it back down. That's nice. That's nice. That is nice. But yeah, spread though is annoying. Because 5 pips isn't really 5 pips. 0.5. So really, if you would have took that trade and you got Hugo's, then it would have really only been like 4.4. So I guess maybe account for spread to go to 6. Oh, that's beautiful. And running. Just getting some content here, guys. Okay, about to tweet it. Oh, I don't like that picture. I wanted to see it like that. There we go. Michael tweeted again. Oh, that's weird. Twitter must have updated. I gotta watch these videos later after our live stream together. Spread is annoying. It's messing up my accuracy, man. It's messing up my accuracy, man. It's saying I closed, or at 40.42. But then spread put me, so annoying. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Nice. Look at that respect. What was that? Did y'all see that? Okay, got my screenshots, got my content uploaded, did my job, got my 5 pips. It's a good morning. It's a great morning. Let me open up the sunshine. Let some natural light in this bed. Turn off this man-made light in this bed. Yeah, so that was really nice, guys. That was super fun, guys. Now since our job is done, Michael's coming in 15 minutes. So, hey, I'm really glad that I was able to get this content with you guys before Michael came. And actually, we saw it twice. Very, very low key. We were here on this institutional order flow entry drill, came down, gave us our 5 pips. Then it went right back up into consequential encroachment of this fair value gap. And this fair value gap came from the 3-minute came from the 3 minute, and did it come from the 5 minute? And the 5 minute. That's my absolute fave. When a fair value gap appears on both the 5 minute and the 3 minute, I like it. I like it. And ooh, just looking at the 15 minute, it makes even more sense why it pulled back up the second time, because this 15-minute candle had just closed and then it came back up. But okay, that was after we were already like in a hypothetical trade at that time. So yeah, so we trusted this fair value gap. This is a 2022 structure model setup. It broke down, which is a market structure shift bearish, taking out this low, leaving this fair value gap behind. We hypothetically entered there, got 5 pips. It came back up to consequential encroachment of this fair value gap, and then proceeded to give us another 5 pips, taking out that low. And then it came back up to respect this volume imbalance. Let me call the gang. Let's see. Came back up, is respecting it now, hopefully to come back down. What's it called? Okay, you know how we have breakers, order blocks, fair value gaps? What is your favorite one called? Previous fair value gap coupled with the upgoing fair value gap to respect it or disrespect it. What is that called?
Repulsion block.
Oh, we're what?
A repulsion block.
Repulsion block. And it's so funny because we was like, what the fuck is a repulsion block? When you first said it.
That'd be my favorite setup.
Your favorite setup. Is it still a repulsion block if it's a previous volume imbalance coupled with the fair value gap?
Yeah, you can kind of use them the same. I mean, you know how you name shit different, but yeah, you can use it the same.
Yeah, you can use it the same. I'm just trying to like articulate it with the right words.
Terminology, yeah, I don't know about the terminology. I ain't gonna lie about that.
Okay, yeah, I keep saying this thing right here, this previous turn, and I know that's not the name of it, so I was just like hoping you knew. So the one where it's like a fair value gap coupled with another fair value gap, for sure that's a repulsion block. But the one where it's a volume imbalance coupled with a fair value gap, we don't know that name for it.
Right.
Okay.
Oh, hold on, I'll do it for doctors. So.
You just on the doctors? Oh, I think he said something about the doctors. Okay. But yeah, so repulsion block. Okay, here we go. Walking price down. Walking price down. What? So I like that. We're going to call it type B repulsion block. Michael's going to see this and be like, that is not a repulsion block. You don't know what a propulsion block is. That is a breakaway fair value gap mitigation block. Like, bro, get the fuck out of here. We're going to call it a repulsion block for now. I'm going to review my notes to see if he's called it something before. And hopefully he calls it, he names it again moving forward so I can see. But as of right now, when it's coupled with the fair value gap we're going to call that a repulsion block. When it has a volume imbalance coupled with the fair value gap, we're just going to call that motherfucker shit repulsion block type B, because we don't know that one for sure. But you can see this repulsion block type B is acting as what we need to send the price back down, hopefully taking out this low next. Ideally, did we already take out? Yep, we took out that low. Ideally, trying to get all the way down to this sell side liquidity, which is also close to the bottom of this 4-hour fair value gap. So, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So great to do this with you guys live. Let me see how many viewers are watching. It's okay, because if I don't have live viewers, they can always tune in later on the YouTube. Let's see how many. I got one viewer. Hey. Thanks for supporting. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this very insightful, because we are walking price down. So I hope you're enjoying it. I hope you're enjoying it. So back to tape. We just took out another low. We got this fair value gap in here. It's 9 o'clock. We just took out another low. You know how I feel about taking out lows. Every time it takes out a low, it has every right to go up. So that's why you want to take partials along the way. We're obviously not in the trade anymore because we followed ICT's rules, and he only wants us for the next 3 months. 3 months. Oh my goodness. To only catch 5 pips a day. Oh my gosh. And then 5 pips a day, 3 times a week. So like only 15 pips a week. What? How do we go from catching 15 pips a day to 15 pips a week? But it's okay. I'm not going to question him. He's the teacher. I'm going to let the teacher teach. And if he believes this is a way to like get a good foundation, to develop, and, you know, discipline, risk management, I'm all for it because that's what I need to be the best trader is discipline and risk management. So, it's not as satisfying or gratifying to hear, but I'm going to do it because I'm a star pupil. And what he says goes. Who am I to question? Who am I to question him? He obviously knows what he's talking about. He obviously knows what the fuck he's talking about. And it's so crazy though, like this setup from the institutional order flow entry drill to literally 5 pips, like exactly 5 pips. With the wick, like it couldn't get no more perfect than that. Come up to consequential encroachment just to drop down again. A little bit back up. So like there must be something with 5 pips. And I'm not saying it's for every pair out there, just specifically for we're working with SPX right now. So that's all I can say. That's all I can say. Okay. Count on my body. Damn, that shit just start to pound. Take a look around. Man, this is gonna be such a slow burn trying to get profits. But honestly, like he says all the time, we're not even supposed to be trading with live money right now. We're supposed to just be like studying, watching price, and then demo trade, and then live. So I'm like already like quote unquote breaking the rules using live money. But you gotta know, I've been trading. Like he's probably talking to the noobs. I've been like in this since October of 2020. So it's been a while. But as you can see, like if you look at my Twitter, I don't do like extreme heavy lots. So I keep it low risk, and I'm not risking more than 2%. I'm risking like 1.2% of my overall account. So I'm not even risking 2% of my account, and my account's not even that big. My trading account. So that's why it feels like such a slow burn, because like 5 pips is really like $5 for me, and so getting $5 a day, oh my gosh. But no, I might end up doing like a 0.02 so I can get at least $10 a day, double digits. Like, goodness gracious. This is going to be such a slow burn. But like he says all the time, like, be content with enough. I know it's going to lead to bigger places. Like that $10 can turn into like $100 whenever I up the lot some more. But as of right now, I feel like keeping it really low risk like this keeps like my adrenaline down, my anxiety down, and like I'm not as fearful, because he says like being fearful, using your live money, you're not really like watching tape, you're not really learning, and it can cause like scar tissue, where like scar tissue is like harder and like not as elastic. So he's like, that's why he really just emphasizes and like don't like push any button right now. So I'm trying to make sure I'm not going against what he says, and that's why I keep it really, really low risk. But that's also why I'm only going to be making like $10 a day. But that's okay. Anybody who knows, it's so easy to promote yourself when the time is right. I'm not going to promote myself and the time's not right. I'm still obviously learning. I'm still working on my discipline. I want to make sure that I'm not going to put myself in a situation where I'm just blowing accounts, blowing money. Like Michael says, I'm not even theoretically ready to be trading live money anyway. So I'm already low-key breaking the rules. I'm not about to break the rules outrageously. Like, you know when your parent says, hey, be home by 9 o'clock. Nah, because you can get in trouble for real if you don't get home by 9 o'clock. That's probably not the best example. I don't know. I wasn't much of a rule breaker back in the day. I'm trying to think of like what I'm trying to say is like when they say like a rule and like you kind of go a little bit over the rule, but you don't get as in trouble. No, I don't know. Because some people say like if I'm gonna break the rule, I'm gonna break the rule to the most. Be home by 9 o'clock. If I'm 5 minutes late, I might as well be 2 hours late. So no. So yeah. So what happened? So we took out this low, came back up. Was there any fair value gaps in here? That one a little bit. Nah. Maybe it might respect this. Ooh, gosh. I think the last point of like defense, last line of defense would be, because do we really want to see it get back into this fair value gap? I don't think so. I would hate to see that. But it did just take out this 5-minute low. Yeah, I would like it to respect this blue. If it don't, I would be like out of it. Because I don't want to see it get way back up there. Because that'll be like too many short-term highs. 1 short-term high broken. 2 short-term high broken. We got news coming out. Michael coming out here soon. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna like log off for now. I mean, we did our job twice now. We had a really good little time. It's been an hour. We caught our move. I got my content. Michael's coming in like 8 minutes. He dropped 2 videos that I gotta watch. Oh, he just dropped another one. So I'm gonna just tune into those, watch those before he comes. And then yeah, hopefully tomorrow me and my gang will have things better understood and prepared so we can all do this together. Cause don't even get me started. But yeah, so tune in later. This, if you guys missed out on the live, this will be uploaded on YouTube. Check it out on YouTube. Trader Girl out. Wait, no. Oh, I kind of like that signature. Trader Girl out. Trader Girl be out. Trader Girl out. Cause Michael be like, be safe and happy trading. Trader Girl out.